serve large energy expenditures. So people go, for example, to the concrete business, and because it's a huge consumer of electricity, or the metallurgy people, so the steel people, these types of things. They say, you guys consume aluminum, same huge amounts of electricity, massive amounts of power to do what you do from the whole cycle in the supply chain. We need to find a way to reduce that and make what you do more environmentally friendly. So that's what regulators do to industries. So then you look at the blockchain business and you see Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and Solana and all these other things, and they do some things. And then there's a question of efficiency behind the things that they do. The problem with maximalism is what they do is they say it is incomparable what they do. So even though Cardano and Bitcoin are both UTXO-based systems, both have deflationary monetary policies, both process transactions and move value, both use cryptography, and both are functionally cryptocurrencies, what the Bitcoin people do is say proof of stake simply does not work. Everything on Cardano is an elaborate proof of perpetual motion scam, and it's a plutocracy controlled by central bankers, or whatever the latest argument is. In other words, we're not legitimate. We don't exist. We should be ignored. And now, if that argument doesn't stand, then they run into a very inconvenient truth. You have system A that uses more power than Ecuador, and system B that uses the power of a warehouse, and one is better, faster, and cheaper, mine. So that's a problem. Okay. So this is one of those uncomfortable conversations with the European Union while they talk about proof of work. And they say, okay, well, if you have two industries, within an industry, if you have two approaches and one is massively more energy efficient than the other, the one that's not has to justify itself in some way.